Welcome back to another video. And this is fucking
shouting.
the kid shouting. What the fuck?
Let's call 111.
Dude.
No, not yet.
Dude. There's a fucking fire.
Wow, no, let my people see.
Holy shit. Holy mother of fucking God. Can you see it? That's scary. Dude, that is scary. Hopefully it's not. We need to call 911. We need to call 911.
No.
Is it all safe? I think we need to call 911. Or 999, fucking noobs.
Is that fire safe?
What the fuck?
Say?
What do you say? Is the fire safe?
Yes, I'm going now.
Thank you. Just saying. I didn't want you to get hurt or anything. I didn't know if it's a real fire or not. Who else going to call 999?
111.